Hey everybody, welcome back to Pie Range. I'm Dusty, this is
TK. And today's episode
is sponsored by
American
Tactical Pawn in Shelby, North Carolina.
Yep. And on today's episode, we're gonna have some fun, man.
Couldn't help myself.
Kind of like a
fun.
Yeah, what
we're doing?
What's that shooting gallery?
But you got to hit the targets, right?
Well, I'll be able to hit some. We get close enough. I know how some of y'all talk about how we're too close we are. So if I get close enough, I think I can hit them.
Yep.
But we're gonna have some fun. Just do like a carnival type shooting gallery, different targets, show off some guns, and have a good time. And remember, please like, comment, subscribe, and wait to the end to see which one of us gets pied in the face. All right, first we're gonna hit some drinks real quick with the Smith & Wesson 22 long rifle pistol. Thank you from American Tactical Pawn, Timothy and Tim, all you guys, for letting us borrow one of these. It's really neat, and we're loaded up with just regular old 22 long rifle, nothing fancy. Let's see what happens. Ready, biggin?
Hope you can hit it.
We'll see. I ain't shot it before, so let's find out. Hey.
I'm proud of you. 2 for 2.
Oh.
2 for 3. 2 for 4. 3 for 5. 3 for 6.
Clear.
Same load, same gun that TK just used. I'm going to try to outshoot him. What was you? 3 for 5? 3 for 6? Uh-oh.
Oh. I was counting them. After you got the 3, I was like, I'm good.
I hit the first one. I got big old.
You got cocky.
I got cocky and I missed him.
Next, you're going to shoot some clay targets here with the Smith & Wesson Model 422. Thank you again, American Tactical Pawn, hooking us up with this.
That is one sweet pistol.
Oh yeah. And the same ammo, nothing fancy. Just regular old 22 long rifle. Oh, it's very nice. Got the magazine disconnect. Alrighty. So we can hit some clay pigeons. Good? I don't think I hit. I think I scared a few of them. I don't think I hit anything. Clear. We're gonna try to redeem myself again and figure out where this thing's hitting, so I don't look so much like an idiot. You good, Dusty?
Yeah.
Oh, it's hitting low. Good. Clear.
All right, same gun TK just used. I'm just gonna take about 10 steps back further.
Might be a smart move. See, I was a little too close. There you go.
Well, it's clear.
Hey, you done pretty good, man. That guy was a little too close and I was aiming way too high. All right, next we're gonna hit the sodas with the Ruger 1022. Nothing fancy, same ammo, 22 long rifle. Well, let's
It's a 22 kind of day, ain't it?
Huh?
It's a 22 kind of day.
It feels like it. Like a shooting gallery. Good?
Yeah.
Clear.
I'm Dusty here. Got the Henry 22 lever. You've already seen 22. Let's, you good?
I'm good.
First shot. I did not hit the can. Come on. That can. There it goes.
I believe in you. That sounded weird.
Well. Started off good, got cold.
I don't know
Clear.
if y'all could hear this from on the y'all's in watching, but some of them rounds sounded weird. Did you hear them? Next, we're going to try to shoot some of these clays with the Birdie Cattleman, chambered in 45 long. Got the cowboy loads, and we're going to load 6 because we're all on the range. Y'all heard me say it before, if you're going to have one of these on your horse or whatever, carry it around, load 5, leave the chamber sitting on the, leave the hammer sitting on the empty chamber, because these are designed after the original Colts, and they will, that hammer will hit that primer and make it go off. See the spur? Okay. All right, you ready?
Yep. Made that one. Well, you missed it, but you hit the Texas Star. That counts.
Click.
Clear.
Clear.
All right. CMS Birdie Pro.
No, that's the Cattleman.
This is a Cattleman. Yep.
Yep.
And it's locked and loaded. Well.
Yeah, buddy.
Alrighty. What do we shoot first? One. Shooting a little high. Ain't it?
Yeah, it's just a little high.
Should be the last one. Got there.
22 Magnums, 22 kind of days. We got these 22 long rifle rounds. I mean, Smith & Wesson 500 Magnum. I want to hit the silhouette real quick to see if we can make a dance. Got 4 rounds of the 400 grain, and for the fun of it, we're going to throw one 700 grain in here, and we're going to save that one for second. Yeah. All right, ready, Dusty?
GoPro's off or on?
GoPro's running. Good?
Yeah, I'm good.
That's the 400 grain. This one should be the mean one. Woo! I think I nicked it.
Where'd you nick him at?
I don't know, but it started dancing a little more.
Just probably the...
Huh.
Ooh, you woke me up on that one. One more.
Clear. I think I nicked it with one of them, or something hit it. I might have to Redeem myself on a 700 grain. I want to smack that steel, man. Alrighty, we're gonna try one more time. 700 grain. Yeah, there we go. Alright, let's see if we can hit this steel now. Ready, Dusty?
Oh, I'm ready.
Oh yeah.
Ring my bell.
That puts a hurting on it there. Clear.
$400 grain or 440?
400.
400 and 700 grain right there.
Yeah. Which one are you shooting first?
Goes counterclockwise, right?
Yep.
That would be the 400, I believe.
Okay.
If not, I'll wake up real quick.
There you go.
Dang, I missed it too.
Alright everybody, hope y'all enjoyed this episode. It was fun. And remember,
and hot.
it is very hot. And remember, like, comment, subscribe. It means the world to us. And today's episode was sponsored by American Tactical and Pawn. So now, I'm going to quit beating around the bush. We got a little buddy out here that's going to decide who's hitting the face of the pie. So, we'll leave it to you, Biggin.
You got
All right, little man, who's getting the pie? Who's getting the pie?
you.
I am. All right, come give me the pie.
1, 2, 3.
Woo! You ain't get hard enough. Push a little more.
Push it.
That's a little.
All right.
That's a little
bit
better.
better. A little
Yeah.
better.
Well, Jacob, turn around and say goodbye to everybody.
Bye.
TK out.
Dusty gone.